Jai Gurudev students, we will study today about the story writing. Students, first I will tell you one story. Listen to it carefully. The name of the story is The Hen That Laid the Golden Egg. Once a man had, first listen to the story what I am telling. Then I will explain you how to write the story writing. Once a man had a hen which used to lay a golden egg every day, only one golden egg a day. A day means in one day the hen laid only one golden egg. He took and he kept one by one all the eggs in a box. The box was not full and he was very greedy and he wanted to become rich very soon. Means as soon as possible he wanted to become rich. So he thought, why not I become rich in a short period or within few days. So an idea clicked him and suddenly one day he thought, I will kill the egg. I will kill the hen and take out all the eggs from the hen's body at once. And then I will become very rich selling all the eggs at a time. So he went and he killed the hen. And very soon he searched for the egg. But he could not get any egg, any golden egg from the body of the hen. He was very sad. And what was the result? Because of his greediness, he lost the chance of becoming rich. The hen was so good that it was giving him a pure golden egg every day one. But he wanted to become rich very soon. So he killed the egg, he killed the hen. And now same story we will write with the hands of the hints. I will tell you how. And the moral of the story is, greedy is very bad thing, and greediness will lead to ruin you. Students, story writing. Look here. Complete the story with the help of given hints. Here few hints are given and using these hints you have to complete the story, write the story. I will just explain you along with the hints. Then I will make you write in your copy the full story in a proper manner. A man has a hen. Now this sentence is incomplete. You have to complete it. First we will read all the hints and then we will write the story completely. She lay a golden egg every day. Children, because hints are given here, before that I explained you the story in short. Now I will read the hints once or twice and then we will complete the story in our copy. She lay a golden egg every day. Means once in a day she used to give one pure golden egg. The collects it in a box. Means the man collected all the eggs in a box. Likes to get rich soon. Means he wanted to become rich as soon as possible. very soon. Hits upon a plan. Kills the hen to take out all golden eggs. Finds no eggs. What was the result? The result, students, now using these hints, we can write the complete story. Once upon a time, a man had a hen which laid a pure golden egg a day. The hen lay a pure golden egg once. Yeah, you can write every day. The man collected all the eggs in a box. Every day the egg was giving one egg and he used to put it in the box. The box was not full yet. And he likes to get rich soon. He wanted to become rich very soon, as soon as possible. So, because he was a greedy man and he wanted to become rich, he thought of a plan how to become rich very soon. So, a plan hits him and he thought he will kill the hen and take out all the golden eggs at a time, so that he can sell all golden eggs at a time and become rich very soon. Kills the egg to take out the golden eggs, but to his sorrow and surprise, he finds no egg in the body of the hen. He was very sad. And what was the result? The result was that he lost the chance of becoming rich by killing the hen. And the moral of the story is, greediness will lead to ruin. Students, same story I will make you write in your copy. We will read it from our copy.